Hello ESL 132 students. This is the midweek check-in for March 23rd for you. I wanted to talk a little bit about the quiz that we're going to have on Monday. The quiz is on Chapter 6. I gave you a practice. I sent it through announcements and also through your email, so you can click on that and just practice, and then you'll know what the quiz is about. It's a little vocabulary. So for the quiz, I'm going to open it up on Monday, 12 o'clock in the morning, and close it just before midnight on Monday. So you could do it any time during Monday. It'll be about 40 minutes at the most. And that's the quiz on Chapter 6. We'll be starting Chapter 7 this week. Chapter 7, we'll do half of it by about Wednesday, and then the other half by around Sunday. So look in your assignments for Unit 7, Part 1, and then Unit 7, Part 2 for that. I asked you a very strange question to answer, and you probably wondered, why did she ask that? But that means if you knew what I was talking about, the very last essay that we had in Chapter 6 was about protein sources and the percentages of protein. So crickets seem to have the most percentage of what you can eat, 80%. For example, beef has about 40%, and they have to throw away other parts. So that's what that question was about when I asked you, would you eat a cricket? Some of you weren't really sure why I asked that question. Chapter 7 will be about the human impact. So let's just look at that. Let's look a little bit about the vocabulary that we have here in Chapter 7. We could do some pronunciation of the words. And we have on page 150 the vocabulary words for the very beginning reading. And I'll go over some pronunciation for you. On page 150, we have crucial, generate, shrink, vanish, exceptional, practical, and focusing on. And on page 151 begins the first reading, A Need for Change. And there's Leonardo DiCaprio, there's a picture of him. On page 152 and 153 we have graphs again. This is showing worldwide catastrophic events, global temperatures, and things like that. So we're going to continue with that, analyzing graphs. I wanted to also go over the vocabulary pronunciation for Chapter 6 because I think we skipped that. So if you go back through to page 135, preparing to read 2, we'll just go over a little bit of the pronunciation. Context, universal, propose, nevertheless, publication, statistic, have to do with, emphasize, reliance, and gesture. And the reason we're going over those words is because you will see some of those on the quiz, on Chapter 6 quiz. So make sure for the quiz that you understand all of the vocabulary words at the very end of the chapter, and that's on page 146. If you have any questions, remember you can email me. I'm checking my email pretty much all day, even on the weekends. So have a good day, and I'll make another video for you on Sunday. Bye-bye.